Kwikset presents How to Change Your Bicycle Combination Lock Quickly and Safely. This video is applicable to SKUs 90260-900, 90260-902, and 90260-904. To begin, set the lock combination to the default factory preset 0000. Open the lock by aligning the opening combination numbers to the guide point and pull out the lock post. With the lock open, turn the reset button 90 degrees clockwise. Now, rotate the lock dials to choose your new combination. Once your new code is set, turn the reset button counterclockwise 90 degrees. Verify your new combination before using your lock. To verify your new combination before using the lock, insert the lock post all the way into the locking port, but do not turn the dials. If you can pull out the lock post, your lock is ready to use. You can repeat this process anytime you want to change your combination. Kwikset, security made convenient.